Last a few weeks ago, do a walk round in my car. I had a bit of an accident top back end. Now that's fixed, I'm going to do a walk round video. Start up front end, crash barrier, LED lights. Crash bar does cost me a bit of clearance on my front end, but to protect my radiator, I think it's a fair trade-off. Mud tyres, and there's a 40mm lift, which I'll put a screenshot up now at car before I lifted it, so you can see the difference. Only other mod really is down here. That's my little CB radio, which comes in handy when we're in convoys. That's all I've really done to it, apart from covering it in stickers to cover scratch marks. But that's basically what I go laning in. Getting a bit late on here, but while I'm making a video I thought I'd show you boot space as well. Things I carried, big jug of water, idle for coolant, 10 40 oil, that's a gearbox oil, another oil here, screen wash, down this power steering fluid, there's me dot 4, couple of spare belts for my utility, a signal cone, straps, tub of bolts here, various sizes, jerry can, a foot pump. I also have bits of wood and just for lifting, hide his jacket in case I'm side of a road, and over here a couple of constant loop straps, and then recovery straps at back there, and this little cubby hole here. I have a couple more recovery straps, a jack, a winch, just a manual one, and a socket set. Try and get me through any unexpected. Back here, me do well, assortment of ropes, and recovery shackles, various sizes. And of course a pair of work gloves. Then the driver's door well. I just carry a pack of ratchet straps and then bungee cords at bottom. You never know when they'll come in handy. And that's basically everything.